Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. You all must have seen water flowing from one place to another. But have you ever seen walking water? Let's observe walking water in this video. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the properties of water activity kit, the floating and sinking activity kit and the disposable glasses. Take out the whiteboard marker from the floating and sinking activity kit and the red, blue and green food colors and the paper napkin from the properties of water activity kit. Also take out 6 disposable glasses from the box. Your IntelliSmart box contains 3 types of disposable glasses. You need to use the type 2 glasses for this activity. You will also need a pair of scissors and a bottle of water from your home. Arrange the 6 glasses in a triangle, close to each other on a table or any flat surface. Like this. Mark the glasses with numbers 1 to 6 using the whiteboard marker. Fill the corner glasses numbered 1, 3 and 5 with water up to 3/4. Now add 5-6 drops of blue food color in glass 1. Add 5-6 drops of green food color in glass 3. And now add 5-6 drops of red food color in glass 5. All the 3 corner glasses have colored water now. Take out the paper napkin and lay it out on a table or any flat surface. Cut the paper napkin into half with the help of scissors. You may take your parents' help for this. Now, cut each half into 3 strips of equal size and then roll each strip along the length like this. Now, bend the strips of paper napkin into U shape. Take one of them and place one end in glass 1 and the other in glass 2, like this. Similarly, bend all the folded paper napkin sheets into a U shape and place in the glasses, such that all the glasses are joined. Leave the setup as it is for 1 hour. Observe the colored water moving up the paper napkins. What do you observe? The addition of water on the paper napkin is so strong that the water starts rising up on the paper napkin. This property is known as capillary action. Due to this, the colored water seems to walk through the paper napkin and gets collected in the other glass. Hence, this activity is called walking water. Adhesion is the tendency of the water particles to be attracted to substances other than water. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.